HiBREW G3 Electric Coffee Grinder. Precision grinding for the perfect brew. The HiBREW G3 Electric Coffee Grinder is a sophisticated and user-friendly appliance designed to elevate your coffee experience. Featuring 31 precise grind settings, a durable Burr Mill, and a visual bean storage container, the G3 ensures consistent and customizable grinds for a variety of brewing methods. Key features: 31 precise grind settings. Achieve the perfect grind consistency for your preferred brewing method, from fine espresso to coarse French press. With 31 adjustable gears, you have complete control over your coffee's flavor profile. Durable Burr Mill. The high-quality Burr Mill ensures consistent grinding and preserves the natural aroma and flavor of your coffee beans, unlike blade grinders that can generate heat and uneven grinds. Visual bean storage container. The transparent bean storage container allows you to easily monitor your bean supply and ensures you always have enough for your next brew. Automatic operation. Simplify your coffee routine with the automatic grinding function. Simply select your desired grind setting and press the button. Versatile grinding for various brewing methods. This grinder is designed to handle a wide range of coffee types, including espresso, Turkish coffee, drip coffee, and pour-over coffee. Compact and stylish design. The sleek plastic housing and compact design make the HiBREW G3 a stylish and space-saving addition to any kitchen countertop. Certified quality. The HiBREW G3 is CB and CE certified, ensuring safety and quality standards. Specifications: brand HiBREW, model G3. Housing material: plastic. Grind settings: 31 gears. Grinding type: Burr Mill. Function: bean grinder. Capacity: 5 to 10 cups. Certification: CBC. Coffee types: espresso, Turkish coffee, drip coffee, pour-over coffee. Benefits: consistent grinds. Achieve uniform grind sizes for optimal extraction and flavor. Customizable grinds. Fine-tune your grind setting to match your preferred brewing method. Preserves coffee aroma. The Burr Mill minimizes heat generation, preserving the natural oils and flavors of your beans. Easy to use. Automatic operation simplifies the grinding process. Versatile and multi-purpose. Suitable for a wide range of coffee types. Stylish and compact. Enhances your kitchen decor without taking up too much space. Safe and certified. Meets international safety and quality standards. Overall, the HiBREW G3 Electric Coffee Grinder is a must-have for coffee enthusiasts who value precision, consistency, and convenience. Its wide range of grind settings, durable Burr Mill, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for achieving the perfect brew every time.